Exercise 1.6. Question number B4. Find the value of 1 by 1 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 bracket whole to the power minus 3 by 2. They told us to find the value of this. Take this equal to 1 by 1 3 times 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 only, plus 2 3 times 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, plus 3 3 times 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, bracket whole to the power minus 3 by 2. So 1 by addition is coming 36 to the power minus 3 by 2. 36 factor, you can find out 6 6 because 36 you can use 6 square. Instead of breaking by 2 and 3, better to use 6 square. There are double power should be multiplied, so 2 cancel out. 1 by 6 to the power minus 3 left. Power negative, as you know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, that is 1 by 6 to the power 3. As a reciprocal, this is going up. Now 6 3 times will give you 216. That is your question number 4. Now question number 5, first one. Question is simplify. 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 216 plus 15 into 5th root. In your textbook it is given cube root, I think, but it has to be 5th root of 32 plus square root of 225. For all these numbers 81, 216, 32, 225, find the factors. 81 you will get 4 piece 3. 216 you can try by 2. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. 32 you can write 2 5 times, and 225 you will be getting 3, 3, 5, 5. So 4th root you put the factors. 4 piece 3. 8 into cube root of 2 3 times, 3 3 times, plus 15 into 5th root of 2 5 times, plus square root of 3 3 5 5. 4th root means inside 4 same numbers, outside 1 number, so it will be 3 only, minus 8 into cube root inside 3, outside 1, so 1 2 1 3 will be out, plus 15 into 5th root of 5 piece 2, it will give you 2 only, plus square root means inside double, outside single. So it is 3 minus 48 plus 30 plus 15. This 3 addition is 48, minus 48, 0. That's the answer to this. Question number 2 now. 27 to the power minus 1 by 3 into 27 to the power minus 1 by 3 into 27 to the power 1 by 3 minus 27 to the power 2 by 3. Here for these two, same base sign into power plus. So 27 to the power minus 1 by 3 plus minus minus 1 by 3 into. For this you put the factors. 27 factors 3 piece 3. So 3 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. Here take the LCM 3 upside minus 1 into double power should be multiplied. It will be 3 to the power 1. Here also double power should be multiplied. 3 3 cut. It will be 3 square. So inside 3 to the power 1 minus 3 square, and outside we are getting 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. Here also put the factors. 27 3 times whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Here 3 to the power 1 is 3 minus 3 square is 9. Subtraction minus 6. Here double power should be multiplied. You will be getting 3 to the power minus 2. Power negative means you can write 1 by 3 square into minus 6. That is minus 6 by 9. After cancellation you will be getting minus 2 by 3. Cancellation by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. The answer is coming minus 2 by 3. Now question number 3. 3 into 243 to the power minus 1 by 5 plus 6 square into 216 to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 4 cube into 256 to the power minus 3 by 4. Find out the factors of 243. It will go by 3 only. 216 you try by 6 only because outside number is 6. 256 you find out by 4 only because outside number is 4. So by seeing this only you find the factors by 4. By seeing this you find the factors by 6, and this is by 3. So 3 into 3 to the power 5 whole to the power minus 1 by 5 plus 6 square into this one you write 6 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 4 to the power 3 into this, we are getting 4 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. Here double power should be multiplied. So 3 into 3 to the power 5 cut plus 6 square into 6 to the power double power should be multiplied and 3 cut plus 4 cube into 4 to the power double power should be multiplied, 4 cut. Remaining 3 to the power 1, no power means 1 is there, into 3 to the power minus 1 plus 6 square into 6 to the power minus 2 plus 4 cube into 4 to the power minus 3. Same base sign into power plus. So 3 to the power 1 minus 1 plus 6 to the power 2 minus 2 plus 4 to the power 3 minus 3. 3 to the power 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 makes 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3. With this, exercise 1.6 completed. Now last example which I am going to teach, that is page number 28, example 25. Simplify 7 into this to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. So 64, find the factors by 4 only. 7 into, use curly bracket, 64 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Curly bracket closed, power 3 is there and full third bracket should be closed, whole to the power 1 by 4. 7 into curly bracket, here double power should be multiplied, 3 cut. Here also double power should be multiplied, 3 cut, whole to the power 3 to the power 1 by 4. So 7 into, here 4 to the power 1 is 4 plus 3 to the power 1 is 3 whole to the power 3, overall power 1 by 4. So 7 to the power 1 into 4 plus 3 7 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. Same base sign into power plus. So 7 to the power 1 plus 3 is 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. Again double power should be multiplied, 4 cut, 7 to the power 1, which is equal to 7, which is equal to 7. So with this, chapter 1 is completed. All the examples I taught you. At the same time, exercise 1.1 to till 1.6, every problems I taught you. Before coming back to the hostel, make sure that you are writing everything properly. Bye for today.